Have you seen more cracks in your sidewalks and driveway, but you're putting off repairs because, well, everything's more expensive lately? Well, this is one home project that can be surprisingly budget-friendly. Jade Owens, Director of Sales with Baird Foundation Repair, is here to tell us more about it. Good morning.
Good morning.
So first, okay, what causes concrete to often crack and sink?
Yeah, so it always starts with the soil that's underneath that concrete. Over time, it can wash out, it's weak, it creates voids underneath your concrete. And then you think about concrete like a piece of glass, and if there's nothing supporting it, then it starts to crack and break over time. So that's when you start to see those tripping hazards, those unpleasant, cracks, and it just continues to get worse over time.
Yeah, and replacing concrete sounds like it can be pretty expensive.
Yep.
What solution do you guys offer that is more cost effective?
Yeah, so we offer a solution called Polylevel, and what that can do, it can not only fill the voids, but it stabilizes the concrete a lot better because it then creates support for that soil, right? And then it can actually lift and level it too. So it can completely remove those tripping hazards. So it's very cost effective, and also there's way less downtime. So if you think about replacing and repouring, you have to stay off of it, for a while. And so it's just a very great solution to get something repaired.
Yeah, it sounds really well. Now, what does the installation process of this Polylevel look like?
Yeah, so we'll go in and drill about a pea to dime-sized hole into the concrete, and then inject that foam into the ground. And so over time, usually these projects take a day, so it's super quick and easy, not invasive to your home or to your property at all. And then you're back to using your driveway or patio wherever you need it to be repaired.
Wow, really quick turnaround time. Okay, what can viewers do to take advantage of this cost-effective concrete repair?
Yeah, so I'd recommend giving us a call. Our inspections are free, and a system design specialist will be able to tell you exactly what your problem is, how to fix it, how much it'll cost. And so really that can get your ball rolling and understanding what a project like this is really going to entail. So definitely, start there, and then you'll be able to get your concrete repaired and enjoy it for the summer.
I love that. All right, you guys, well, you can get $250 off your project if you mention you saw Baird Foundation Repair on SA Live. Plus, they also offer a military discount. You can also get a free, no obligation inspection and estimate. There are financing options available as well. Just go to gobairdgo.com. Thank you again, Jade.
Yeah, thank you.